Hi, okay, this is a drawer for my Samsung refrigerator, which is really a very bad one, plus a very bad design. Now, if you look over here, you could see all the little crumbs that got stuck. And even I washed it already, it won't come off. So now, in order to take it out, what I do, I just take a little knife, and right here, see, there's a little, well, they have these little plastic that you're supposed to push, but it's very hard. So all I do, I just stick the knife and I snap it off, and I go to the other side, stick the knife, snap it off, it comes off. Now you can see all the dirt. I'm going to wash it, and then I'm just going to put it back in. Okay, almost ready. Just gonna dry it a little bit. I don't even understand why they had to make it that way. Why couldn't they make it one piece? But anyway, you just take that piece, place it in the same spot, and snap it off. Let's see. Sorry. Okay, so you have to put, first you have to put the top, and then snap. Whoops. Hold on. Let me see. Damn, I hate this. Oh. Well, that's what I'm talking about. That's it. All done.